Hi everyone and welcome back to my vlog. So, ang naisip ko naman pong legal topic for today's episode would be all about traffic accidents or traffic incidents and yung tinatawag nilang parang reckless imprudence resulting to either homicide in really extreme cases or physical injuries, pwedeng serious, less serious, or slight, or pwede rin yung damage to properties, no? So, it depends dun sa nangyaring incident because there could be, yun nga, a variance on the type of crime that will be filed, no? Or could be filed. Why? Because more on that later. Okay, bakit sinabi kong could be or would be filed? Okay. So first things first, okay, what should you do if you get involved in a vehicular accident? The first thing that you do, of course, is to check yung inyong driver's license. Dapat naman talaga when you're driving, the driver's license is with you. Because the driver's license is the first thing na hanapin sa inyo ng traffic enforcer or ng policeman to check your identity and if you have authority to drive. Okay, so always bring your driver's license with you. Okay, next thing that you need to show is a copy of the ORCR. So kadalasan sometimes it's a photocopy since these are usually filed at home or sa filing cabinet. So, yung ORCR, you should have a photocopy of it, a clear photocopy of your ORCR. If wala doon yung ORCR, no? And then, if you have insurance, it would also be good to have a copy of the insurance policy. Okay, so assuming everything is there, what should you do? Attorney, kailangan ko bang bumaba sa sasakyan? Do I need to talk to the other person? Do I need to go out and talk to the police officer? Well, the thing is, it really depends the situation. But of course, it would be more prudent to talk to the person or a police officer or traffic enforcer who is there. Okay? But talk calmly. Okay? Alam ko, gulat ka or you're in a state of shock. But wala namang mariresolba kung uunahin mo yung emotions mo, no? So you have to take hold of your emotions and then go out of your car or you could roll down the window if you're not comfortable na lumabas or what, no? And then the first thing you have to do, of course, is to check the damage. Okay, so check mo yung side vicinity, check the other vehicle, or if it's a property that you damage, check the other property, no? If it's poste or may tindahan kang natamaan, 'di ba? So you check it and then it's best to take photos. Okay? Kasi sometimes ang vehicular accident nangyayari in the middle of the road. It's causing too much traffic and then yung traffic enforcer malayo pa or yung patrolman papunta pa lang or police officer tumawag pa lang kayo. It will take time kasi traffic or what. And you're already causing so much traffic and delay na to other people. At sinabi nung kabila sa inyo, ay, boss, tabi na lang natin muna. There's a little bit of like parang danger in that because kung wala pang dumating na police officer or traffic enforcer to document how the accident happened or yung resulting damage as is yung mismong parang scene of the crime, pag ginalaw nyo yun, it will be a little harder or really hard to recreate it na actual because the other party could deny it. Alam niyo yun? Ang sabi niya, ay hindi, siya ang nag-cut. When in truth, kapag yung actual scene of the crime ang nakita ng police officer or traffic enforcer, most probably they have an idea of how it occurred. Okay? Kasi it will depend sa damage, sa angle. So, if hindi maiiwasan yung always take a photo. Angle photo from north, south, east, west, or paikot. All the angles, you take photos. Document it already, okay? And then from there, you have to go to the nearest police station for the traffic incident report or doon na po kayo mag-uusap. If merong bang basis to file a case or should a case proceed or are the parties amenable and willing to enter into a compromise agreement. Okay? If you do enter into a compromise agreement, pwedeng doon na rin po kayo magpa-assist sa police station ng kasunduan. Simple lang, nakasulat doon na ang mga parties ay nakasundo na hindi na sila magdedemandahan, ganyan-ganyan. Kung ano man pong mapag-usapan ninyong negosasyon, open naman na po yun at you need to ask the assistance ng police officers at the police station for that para planchado, okay? And then you, of course, you can call your lawyer if you know a lawyer, that is the perfect time to call the lawyer pag umaabot na sa point na nag-uusap na about a compromise sa damages or a possible na um, filing of case kasi po since lalo na if it's nahuli talaga on the spot at let's say ayaw makipag-compromise, yung complainant could actually push for a filing of a complaint. And if it's an inquest proceeding, pwedeng dire-diretso na po yun, pwedeng ipa-detain doon the time unless mag-bail or something, no? It really depends kung ano yung severity ng situation, no? But yeah, like what I said, it could proceed into an actual case and you don't want that, okay? But of course, if it does proceed into an actual case, then that's the time that you really have to contact a lawyer and then make sure nga all the documents are with you and then all the evidences are with you, the photos, or you could take a video, you could use that. Or if may CCTV within the vicinity that you could ask for consent for that specific timeline lang na kailangan ninyo, no? To help your case, then you could try, no? To get consent and get a copy of that. The operative word is try because syempre may mga privacy issues po yan, no? Depending on the location of the CCTV and the owner of the CCTV, no? And then kapag po ganyan, yung traffic incident report, that is very, very important. You have to read what's written there because that would most likely be the basis of future reference when it comes to the vehicular accident. Kasi syempre, pag nasa husgado na po kayo or nasa piskalya na po kayo at nagkaroon na ng case, yung mga tao naman na nandun, kahit kami mga abogado, wala naman kami nung traffic incident. Wala naman kami nun. So we just really rely on the documentations. And of course, the testimony of the one who made it and other people na magko-corroborate nung nangyari talaga. No? So, but of course, the written documents, since these are time-based documents, ibig sabihin they were executed right after the incident, no? They enjoy talagang yung presumption of regularity. So what's written there, it's very hard to controvert it unless you can really show that there was like fraud or panuloko in accomplishing it, no? Which is of course, sabi ko nga, it's time based. Ibig sabihin, ang hirap naman i-assume na niloko yun para in the future, para pag may case, ganon, no? And of course, you are already casting na or assuming that the person who made it did not put a truthful statement. Kaya nga, it's up to you before you accept the traffic incident report or habang ginagawa yun, you check kung ano talaga nakalagay doon. Okay, yun yung for future reference that you can use. So, if unfortunately the only way to push through with a case is to really file a case in court and then defend yung rights no and if you're the complainant to push for the actual filing of the case, then yun nga, papasok po siya doon sa criminal case na reckless imprudence resulting to whatever yung naging damage, or if it's a loss of a life or a loss of a limb or physical injuries, it would depend on that and also the severity of the penalty. Okay, so I hope that you learned a lesson again, or at least gained a little knowledge man lang, no? I know a lot na parang pag when they get involved in traffic accidents, natataranta sila and they don't really know what to do, and then sometimes may magsabi sa kanilang, naku, bakit di mo to ginawa or what? So I hope nakatulong ako ng konti sa inyo, dagdag knowledge lang, or if may friend kayo kakilala na would get into this accident, as natawagan kayo, at least meron kayong ma-share sa kanya. So, again, thank you very much and always keep safe. Bye!